In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from your bank account to PayPal using the PayPal app. First, open the PayPal app and log in. Before you can transfer money in, make sure your bank is linked. To do that, go to Wallet, tap the plus, next to Banks and Cards, choose Banks, and follow the prompts to link your bank account. Once your bank is linked, go back to your home screen and look for Add Money beside your PayPal balance. Tap Add Money, choose from your bank or debit card, and then enter the amount you want to transfer. PayPal will usually give you two speed options: an instant transfer option using a debit method, or a slower option that can take around 3 to 5 days when pulling from your bank. Pick the option you want, review the details, then tap Add or Confirm to submit the transfer. One quick note: adding money from a bank isn't available in all countries. If you don't see Add Money, you can still link your bank and pay online using PayPal at checkout, with PayPal pulling funds from your bank automatically. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.